Thank you all for coming today as we launch a new community space in Mosman Park as part of Australia's first Better Block project, developed by the young people in Mosman Park.
This is a really exciting project for RAC to be part of. We've been working on a number of these projects across Western Australia for the last year, and just the enthusiasm and the spirit that young people bring with them is really, really inspiring.
Young people have so many different ideas and a really good generation to give insight onto what we think is best for the community.
RAC and Town team were obviously so instrumental in connecting with the community, connecting with the young people, and getting them in the space and saying, what works here, what doesn't, what do you want to see? Sometimes when you're talking about some of these concepts, they can be a little scary. And so we often say that temporary erases the fear of permanency. It allows us to really test out a concept, and it lets the community give real-time feedback.
And it's not just, someone far off deciding, oh, this is what we think they need. We can hear what they want, and we can see what they have in their minds, and then we can work towards achieving that.
The schools give a lot of opportunities, and RAC has given a different type of opportunity as well. It's just the environment's different. You feel more at home when you're doing these sorts of things. It's your community. You need to be participating in it, especially when you're young.
Our role as an urban design nonprofit is to kind of show folks they can do this stuff without us. And the one thing we've learned about Mosman Park is you all are a community of doers.
My favourite part of this process was definitely planning it and getting to design the space and think of ways we design things, and the bits we incorporate in it was really cool to be able to do that.
The first set of stairs are going to be the color that you guys were just painting, that pink color, and then we have these two other purple colors.
Really surprised, mainly because of the color and how it's usually a bit subtle, and now it's vibrant. Yeah, I think that's also reflective of the youth nowadays, trying to express themselves in such a unique way.
I haven't had many opportunities to do this sort of thing, and the few that I've had, including this one, I've just really enjoyed.
Also building those new friendships that people I haven't met before, I'm really connected to them. I've talked so much, and yeah, I think doing that as we're building the space is just overall amazing. It was so good.
Just as a little last hurrah, we're going to build one of the last benches, so you guys will be doing that, and then we're going to give you a little Sharpie so you can sign your name on it.
My smile says it all. I'm really happy about this project and being involved in a project where lots of teams working together just to help with the process.
If RAC asked me again to do something like this, I'd definitely sign up for the chance.
It was such a blast. I'm so sad it's over. Honestly, it was so good to be able to just, after all these couple of weeks, see everything come together.
RAC, for the better.